How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Cameras are everywhere now. You got Ring cameras, security cameras, cameras in your car. Why not one in your toilet? Today I have an unreleased product right here. It's a bidet camera. You ever use a bidet and wonder how much longer is it going to take? Is it clean already? Well, with this camera attachment, you can see in real time in high definition on your phone if you're behind is clean or not. Let's check it out. Introducing a world's first, a camera for your bidet. It's made as an upgrade companion to your existing bidet. I have a circular Toto bidet that's already installed. It can do front, it can do rear, it can do dry, but no camera option. Simply lift your toilet seat, attach your camera to the toilet, and you're ready for 4K butthole viewing. Fully installed, it looks like that. You got a companion battery that will last for weeks. Now all you have to do is turn on the device, connect to the Wi-Fi, and just like that, we got live butthole. Watch in 4K HD as your bidet cleans your butthole with a jet of water. All right, just walk up to your toilet and just sit on it. Okay, it's coming. Oh no! I need a cup. I didn't ask for that one. It just kind of did that by itself. But let's activate the bidet. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming up. I press the front. It's going to spray the front. Now let's demonstrate this. Activate. After you get over the initial shock, you can use your cell phone and kind of, move it around. Get all the edges and stuff. Get it nice and clean. Okay, we're good. Stop it. The dryer actually doesn't work that well. You're not going to sit on your toilet for 10 minutes for it to dry, so you still got to use toilet paper. With secure and private recording and AES 256 encryption, you can even share your videos on social media. Now, of course, I'm not stupid here. I'm not going to share my butthole on Facebook or YouTube. They have a private social media network called You View Other People's Butthole Anonymously While Viewing Your Own.com. With this, you can comment on other people's butthole cleaning, or you can receive comments on your butthole cleaning. The website is completely free. It's a new paradigm of social media. If you guys are interested in this product or the bidet, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.